Welcome everyone to this webinar. I'm Jalen Christina. I am an electronics engineer. In this webinar, we are going to see about the obstacle avoiding robot, how to design it, and some of the applications using this technology. In today's world, everything has got automated. As days pass by, various new technologies are emerging which are helpful for human beings in several ways. Everyone is getting adapted to the new emerging technology. Robotics is a part of today's communication. In today's world, robotics is fast growing and an interesting field. Robo is a machine that replaces human effort. Though it may not resemble human beings in appearance or perform functions in a human like manner, this technology influences every aspect of work and home. Robotics has the potential to positively transform lives and work practices, raise efficiency and safety levels, and provide enhanced levels of service. Most robots today are used to do repetitive actions or jobs which are considered too dangerous for humans. Robots are also used in factories to build things like cars and electronics. Robotics changes the labor market but does not destroy it. With the help of robotics, we can design machines to make life easier. So, this is the obstacle avoiding robot. Obstacle avoiding robot is an intelligent device which can automatically sense obstacles in its path and can avoid them. It is designed to allow robot to navigate an unknown environment by avoiding collisions. The concept of mobile robot is fast evolving, and the number of mobile robots and their complexities are increasing with different applications. There are many types of mobile robot navigation techniques like path planning, self localization, and map interpreting. In this, we can see the design and applications of obstacle avoiding robot. It is an Arduino based robot that uses ultrasonic range sensors to avoid collisions. Obstacle avoiding robot senses obstacles in the path, avoids it, and resumes its running. Various sensors are used to achieve this objective. Obstacle detection is the primary requirement of this autonomous robot. The robot gets the information from the surrounding area through the sensors mounted on the robot. The idea proposed here is by using machine vision to guide the robot. The field of machine vision has growing at a fast pace. They can be used to locate, measure, inspect, and identity. Now, let's look at the components which are required to design the robot. As you can see here, the components which are required are Arduino UNO, ultrasonic sensor, motor driver, DC motors, power batteries, and connecting wires. Now, let's see in detail about the working of each of the components. The first one is the Arduino UNO. Arduino is an open source platform used for building electronics projects. Arduino consists of both a physical programming circuit board and IDE that runs on your computer, which is used to write and upload computer code to the physical board. The board is equipped with sets of digital and analog input or output pins that may be interfaced to various expansion boards and other circuits. Arduino has been used in thousands of different projects and applications. Arduino is a single port microcontroller means to make the application more accessible with your interactive objects and its surroundings. Now let's see the features of Arduino. Arduino is an easy USB interface. The chip on the board plugs straight into your USB port and supports on your computer as a virtual serial port. It has more number of hardware features like timers, external and internal interrupts. It is an open source design, and there is an advantage of being open source is that it has large community of people using and troubleshooting it. This makes it easy to help in debugging projects, and it has a button to reset the program on the chip. The next component is the ultrasonic sensor. The most important component in this project is the ultrasonic sensor, which is used for obstacle detection. It is an instrument that measures the distance to an object using ultrasonic sound waves. Ultrasonic sensor transmits the ultrasonic waves from its sensor head and again receives the ultrasonic waves reflected from an object. It measures the distance of a target object by sending a sound pulse above the range of human hearing towards the target and then measuring the time it takes the sound echo to return. There are many applications using ultrasonic sensors like instruction alarm systems, automatic door openers, etc. This ultrasonic sensor is very compact and has a very high performance. Now, let's see about the motor driver IC. Motor driver is used for driving motors because Arduino does not supply enough voltage and current to motor. Arduino sends commands to this motor driver and then it drives motors in any direction as we want. Working of obstacle avoidance robot is very interesting. Then Arduino drivers the motor according to sensors output. Motor drivers act as current amplifiers since they take a low current control signal and provide a higher current signal. This higher current signal is used to drive the motors. So, this is the circuit diagram. Now, let's see it in detail. This is the design. The Arduino is the main processing unit of this obstacle avoiding robot. Out of the 14 digital input output pins, 7 pins are used in this project design. And the ultrasonic sensor has 4 pins, which are VCC, trigger, echo, and ground. VCC is connected to the 5 volt of the Arduino, and ground is connected to the ground pins of the Arduino. Trigger is connected to the ninth pin of Arduino, and echo of the ultrasonic sensor is connected to the 8th pin of the Arduino. A servo motor is used to rotate the ultrasonic sensor to scan for obstacles. It has 3 pins, namely control, VCC, and ground. The servo control pin is connected to the 11th pin of the Arduino. VCC is connected to the 5 volt and ground pins are connected with the ground pins of Arduino. Motor driver is a 16-pin IC. Pins 1 and 9 are the enable pins. These pins are connected to the plus 5 volt. Pins 2 and 7 are known as the control inputs from microcontroller for first motor, and they are connected to pins 6 and 7 of Arduino. Similarly, pins 10, and 15 are control inputs from microcontroller for second motor. They are connected to the pins 15, 5 and 4 of Arduino. Pins 4, 5, 12 and 13 of the motor driver or ground pins which are connected to the ground. First motor is connected across the pins 3 and 6 of the motor driver. The second motor, which acts as the right wheel motor, is connected to the 11th and 14 pins of the motor driver IC. And now let's see the working of this obstacle avoiding robo. When the robo is powered on, both the motors of the robo will run normally and the robo moves forward. During this time, the ultrasonic sensor continuously calculates the distance between the robo and the surface. This information will be processed by the Arduino. If the distance between the robo and the obstacle is less than 15 cm, the robo stops and scans in left and right directions for new distance using servo motor and ultrasonic sensor. If the distance towards the left side is more than that of the right side, the robo will turn left. Before that, it backs up a little bit and then activates the left wheel motor in reverse direction. If the right distance is more than that of the left distance, the robo prepares right rotation. This process continues and the robo keeps on moving without hitting any obstacle. Now let's see the applications of obstacle avoiding robo. Obstacle avoiding robots can be used in almost all mobile robo navigation systems. They can be used for household work like automatic vacuum cleaning, and they can also be used in dangerous environments where human penetration could be dangerous. One of the applications of using this technology is the driverless car. A self driving car, which is also known as an autonomous vehicle or driverless car, is a vehicle that is capable of sensing its environment and moving safely with little or no human input. Advanced control systems interpret sensory information to identify appropriate navigation paths as well as obstacles. Automated vehicle means a motor vehicle which is designed and constructed to move autonomously for certain periods of time without any driver supervision. It can also steer itself, accelerate itself, can go and stop by itself. Now let's see the reason behind this. The common cause of road accidents are distracted driving, speeding or reckless driving, breaking traffic rules, etc. Nearly 1.25 million people die in road accident each year. That is, one person is killed every 25 seconds. Using cell phone during driving, drink and drive, entertainment system are the reason for the road accident. So to solve this problem, driverless car is useful for us and this is the reason behind making it. Self-driving cars are always attentive and active, observing their environments and scanning multiple directions. It would be difficult to make a move that the car has not anticipated. Now let's see how it works. The technological leaps and bounds we have made in recent years have finally culminated in making self driving cars a reality. There are many types of sensors available today that make autonomous cars a reality. Self driving cars use cloud computing to act upon traffic data, weather, maps, adjacent cars, and surface condition, among others. This helps them monitor their surroundings better and make informed decisions. All the data the car collects needs to be analyzed to determine the best course of action. This is the main function of the control algorithms in software. After giving input or instruction, it will drive automatically. The components required for this self-driving cars are the Google Map, hardware sensors, and artificial intelligence software. Now let's see about it in detail. So Google Maps. As we all know, Google Maps interacts with GPS and acts like a database. It is used for limiting the speed and it detects the obstacles. It gives traffic report and it determines the directions and avoids nearby collisions. The sensors used are LiDAR, video camera, position estimator, and ultrasonic sensor. Let's see it in detail. The first is the LiDAR. LiDAR stands for light detection and ranging. It pulses laser lights and receives the reflection by objects. It is one of the more crucial and argumentative sensors that is used on self-driving cars. It's used for surrounded view, detection of objects like pedestrians and other vehicles, and also it's used to create detailed maps that self-driving cars need to get around. The second one is the video camera, which is installed at the top of the front glass near the rear view mirror. These cameras are used to detect traffic lights, pedestrians, animals, etc. It is also used to identify road markings and traffic signals. The next sensor is the position estimator, which is a sensor that is mounted on the left rear wheel. It measures small movements made by the car and helps to accurately locate its position on the map. The position of the car can be seen on the monitor. And the most important sensor in this self-driving cars is the ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensors are mounted on various sides of the car to detect objects which are very near the car. These sensors provide parking assistance, collision warning, and the artificial intelligence is used to determine how to accelerate the self-driving car, when to slow down or stop the vehicle, and when to steer the wheel. So, the advantages of self-driving cars is that it reduces road accident, it reduces our journey time, it makes automatic parking very easy, and it's also environment friendly. And now, almost all navigation robo demands some sort of obstacle detection. Hence, obstacle avoidance strategy is of most importance. Obstacle avoidance robo has a vast field of application. They can be used as service robots for the purpose of household work and so many other indoor applications. Equally, they have great importance in scientific exploration and emerging rescue. There may be places that are dangerous for humans or even impossible for humans to reach directly. Then, we should use robots to help us. In those challenging environments, the robots need to gather information about their surroundings to avoid obstacles. Nowadays, even in ordinary environments, people require robots to detect and avoid collisions. In conclusion, obstacle avoidance is widely researched and applied in the world, and it is probable that most robots in the future should have obstacle avoidance function. I hope you would have got some idea regarding obstacle avoidance robot and its applications. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for patiently watching this video. You can get your certificates by filling the feedback form given in the description, which will be available for 72 hours. If this video is useful, share it with your circle and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for next webinar. Happy learning!